My name is Vishnu Bhatt and I'm the Managing Director of Blueneem Medical Devices. First of all, our sincere thanks to all the intervention radiologists of our country for supporting us and encouraging us over the last several years. We recognize that the intervention radiologists in our country are leading the shift towards safer, minimally invasive care for our patients. This drives the need for innovation. At Blueneem, innovation is our DNA. We design, develop and manufacture all our medical devices here at a facility in India. This allows us to be innovative and be responsive to your felt needs to improve clinical efficiencies and outcomes for the patients. I would like to personally invite you to our booth at ISVIR in Jaipur. I would like us to experience our products and the range of products that we have developed for your practices. I believe that we can do more together. I look forward to seeing you in Jaipur.